This video is an overview of how to use the login message add-on in Project Insight. This feature is meant to provide system admins to provide any special instructions or message to users signing into PI here on the sign in page. So you can see I've included a login message right here. To get there, we'll go to the add-ons page in PI. I'll go ahead and search for the login message add-on. We'll configure it. So you can see I already have one login message set up right now. You can add additionals by hitting the add button up on the top. If we're going to go ahead and edit this one, you can see I've included some text here, my content. You can also change formatting of my text up here at the top. You can work through this design module. You can also use HTML if that's more up your alley. You can also include the publish date of when you want this to be live, and then save those changes that you made. Now that you've included that, you can preview what the login message looks like. And any adjustments that you want to make with the login image, you can make in using the themes add-on in Project Insight, as well as the login message add-on for this content down here.